Hi there, thanks for watching my video about my first solid-state musical Tesla coil. I give you a short overview about my setup and then I'll demonstrate a bit. First and most important, of course, is my secondary coil here. It is 75 millimeters in diameter, 26 centimeters in height, and has 340 windings. At the top you see a circuit board as a capacitor cut out of a larger piece, and then a triangle shaped wire as an electrode and breakout point. At the bottom you see my primary coil. Physically it has 6 windings and is very loosely coupled with the secondary, and at the moment I use only 4 windings. The primary coil is connected to my RF generator and control board. It is a Class-E RF generator with one single 1000 volts 13 amps MOSFET with integrated driver, and connected to the drain here is my oscilloscope, where we will see the drain voltage of the MOSFET in action. The control part here is potentially isolated with a high-speed optocoupler, and the control circuit gets 2 frequencies from 2 DDS generators. The one frequency is used for setting the excitation frequency and the resonance frequency of my Tesla coil, and the other one gives the frequency for the pulse width modulation, for audio modulation. And both DDS controllers are connected to my microprocessor board here. It is an ATmega16 from Atmel, connected to a FT232 from FTDI for USB connection. And the high voltage is generated from my power supply here. It is a switching power supply for up to 130 volts at 8 amps. As the controller here is connected via USB to my PC here, I have written a small software tool which controls the excitation frequency, the pulse width modulation comparison voltage, and the pulse width modulation frequency. Here I can show you afterwards that the audio is really coming from the PC. Okay, now I want to power up my setup. For this, first I use my power supply for the driver voltage. Probably you hear my fans are turning here. Okay. And now I plug in my high voltage power supply. Okay. I have 2 setup points here. This is the voltage. I turn it lower limit. Okay, that's enough. I power on my multimeter here. Okay. And yeah, now I should be able to start up and increase the voltage. Okay, now the sparks have ignited and I go up to 125 volts. Okay, this is all I can get out of my setup at the moment. You see my nice sparks. You see here the drain voltage. It's quite nice, Class-E. type waveform here, and yes, my sparks are about, let's say, 3 or 4 centimeters long. Turn off the lights. Okay. And these two, here you'll see, quite nice here. Sparks at my breakout point. Okay. Now I will start the audio modulation. For this, I start my small video here. Okay, and now I have to go and do the comparison voltage to about 3.5 volts. Yeah. And the audio modulated gate. I turn the voltage out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you online. Bye bye.